Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to send large videos on Gmail. So the first step is to open the Drive app on your phone or go to Drive on your browser, the Google Drive, and then what you'll have to do is simply right click and then simply upload your video or file, it doesn't matter. And then after you've uploaded your file, you'll have to right click on it and then simply click on share and then click again on share. And here you'll have to enter the Gmail address for the person that you want to share this file with. So I'm gonna enter my Gmail address. And as you can see, this is my Gmail address. And then here you'll have to enable this option, and then here you can send a message, and here you'll have to select only viewer and then simply click on send, and that's all. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.